Okay. What do you want to do?
Eastern Star.
Eastern Star.
This is Eastern Star.
All right. What do we do first?
First you fold them.
Okay.
Then you. First you fold and unfold. Then you put it. Then you fold top two corners. Then you fold the top two corners.
Crease it really well, just like that. Good. Okay. Okay. Then what?
Then fold it down.
Okay, hold on. Okay, good. Fold it down. Good. Okay. Okay.
Fold dot to dot.
Okay, wait. Make sure this crease is really, really strong. Okay. Okay.
Thanks for letting me know that.
You're wrong. Wait. It doesn't say all the way down. You want them just to meet? Okay, we got it. Okay, wait, that's not quite straight. Okay, see how straight you're making it? See how that's a right angle? Okay, wait. We have to meet, not meeting. So this one needs to go.
How
Up a little.
What?
Okay. Ugh. Make the crease. Here, practice the crease. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. When you do, what does it say to do? Number, we're on 5, right? What does it say to do? Read it for me.
Fold the middle point up. Fold the middle. Fold the middle point up to the center crease.
Okay, there you go.
Now,
Hold that up.
fold it.
That little point, there you go. Okay.
Now,
What does 6 say?
mountain fold the plane in half.
What does a mountain fold? Does a mountain go up or in?
Up.
Like a mountain. Good, that's a mountain fold.
Oh,
Now let's look. Does it look like the picture? Let's hold it like the picture. Okay. Then it says to fold both wings down. Okay, wait, turn it over. Turn it over. Fold it. You can match it up with that corner right there, and you know the folds are the same. Match it up.
I think there's 8 steps. Look.
Wait, see how it's not matched up? You want it there. Good. Okay, now crease. Give it a good crease. Okay. Does it look like the picture?
I did it on my own.
Come here. You did do it. Throw it. Let's see what happens. Woo! Ooh! How did it fly?
Well, I think I flew.
Give it a shot. It kind of, what is it, how does it fly? Can you describe how it flies? Woo!
It does loop-de-loop.
Loop-de-loop, like a spiral.
Yeah.
Good job, sweetheart.